Hello, we are Paula Domenech, Adriana Jaworska and Jordi Bordas,
instructors at the Jordi Bordas Pastry School in Viladecans, Barcelona.
We are specialized in a pastry that is based in healthier, lighter and tastier recipes. Above all, we bet on a conscious pastry suitable for any type of food intolerance, allergy or need.
When we design a pastry product, we aim for it to have a nice texture, a delicious taste and to be as nutritious as possible.
Today, there are numerous vegan and plant-based options in the market. However, most of these options contain an excess of sugar and refined flours or even highly processed ingredients.
We try to replace these types of ingredients whenever it's technically possible and as long as we don't risk the stability, texture or the flavor of the recipe.
If we want to meet customers' needs and a rising demand for vegan products, we must learn to make healthier vegan recipes, trying to include nutritious ingredients whenever possible.
Always considering that pastry is fun and pleasure, and that it's a part of the most special moments of our lives.
In this introductory online course to a healthier vegan pastry, you learn the basics of this type of pastry and how to make a collection of completely vegan elaborations. The recipes contain fruits, seeds, nuts, and even legumes. Also, almost all the recipes in this course are gluten-free. In the first module, we'll introduce the basic ingredients for use in vegan pastry and we'll explain how to replace dairy products or eggs that we find in traditional recipes when making their plant-based versions.
In the second module, we'll teach you how to make each recipe step by step. We'll start with the financiers, a typical French preparation that is very tender with a moist crumb and a distinctive beurre noisette flavor. You will see how to obtain a similar result without using butter, and you will learn to make financiers of different flavors: almond, sesame, coconut and pistachio. We'll continue with the lesson on cookies, in which you will also see different flavors and textures. Among them, we have the snowball cookie, tender on the inside and crunchy on the outside, the sandwich cookie with a gianduja filling, the oat and blueberry cookie, crunchy and ideal for breakfast, and the typical chocolate chip cookie. You will also learn how to make your own vegan batter for these cookie recipes. We'll continue with the donuts. We'll make both fried and baked donuts. You will learn how to make fluffy and tender donuts and how to work with ingredients such as banana, pumpkin, chocolate, raspberry and apple. Our online vegan pastry course wouldn't be complete without travel cakes. In this lesson, you will learn to make step by step a chocolate, orange and hazelnut cake, a lemon cake inspired in a lemon pie, and a delicious carrot cake.
In this course, you will also learn to make two types of cheesecakes, but without cheese, just by using cashew nuts and cocoa. You will discover how to achieve extremely smooth and creamy textures. Finally, you will see the step-by-step elaboration process of two fruit tarts, one made with mango, coconut and peanut, and the other one with peach. You will learn that it's possible to make a crunchy sablé dough without any dairy or gluten.
Surprise your clients or guests by making simple, delicious and vegan recipes.
This course is for you if you want to be on top of the food trends and if you want to learn to create a pastry that is different, conscious, and that's adapted to consumer demands.
This course is also for you if you want to make vegan desserts at home or if you work in a pastry shop, restaurant or hotel and you want to offer new plant-based options to your clients.
Join our online school and get started in a healthier vegan pastry with us. We are waiting for you.